How to use voice access on Windows. First thing first, go over to the settings menu. From there, all you have to do is find the accessibility settings. And there, you just scroll down and find interactions. Go to speech, then find voice access. Make sure to toggle this on. Once you toggle this on here, your voice access will continue. And if you want to set up your voice access, tap on yes, continue. Just wait for a bit and follow the on-screen prompts. You need to say certain things to be able to set up your voice access. So it's going to take a while. Just wait for a bit. Then you should be able to control your PC with your voice. Then you can also select if you want to start voice access before you sign into your PC or after you sign into your PC. You can select that, or you can select both. You should be good to go. Wait for this to complete. It's going to show some words on screen. You're going to have to allow your microphone access. Then just say those words and you should be good to go to set up your voice access. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.